Hola, hola, hello beautiful people, hello wonderful people, welcome back to Last Videos. We're back on another video. On this one, we're going to be doing a review of Fiverr. If you're not using Fiverr, what are you doing? Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you all know Fiverr? I'm pretty sure a lot of people know Fiverr by now, but if you're a content creator or you're creative, even if you're not, or you're just a student, whatever, and you're not using Fiverr, what are you doing? What are you doing? There's so many people waiting on Fiverr to help you with so much. So I'm just gonna go through it together. I know some of you may have seen it, some of you may have heard it, but Fiverr is a place for freelancers literally all around the world to do stuff for you. And this is so critical to businesses. This is so critical to young entrepreneurs, small YouTubers, students in school. You need help with something, you want to get it done. So many people are here online waiting for you to pay them, and they'll help you get it done in a day, 2 or 3 days. I just love Fiverr so much, and I know people are going to come in here and say, oh, I've had some bad experiences with Fiverr, or a seller didn't give me what I asked for. There's so many sellers on there, okay? There's $5 and upsellers, $20 and upsellers, $25 and upsellers. You can get so many deals for anything, literally from $5 and up. Most times I get so many things for $5. For example, with my YouTube videos, a lot of times I've been doing things on my own, my video editing, my thumbnails, everything. But recently, there are some things that I'm like, okay, I can find someone on Fiverr to do it for me. I can, you know, when I can't do it, I can get someone to do like a thumbnail for $5, get someone to help me change my banner for free. Whatever it is, so many things you can do on Fiverr. I'm sure some of you that are watching this already know that, but if you didn't know that, I'm here to tell you, if you're not using Fiverr, what are you doing? What are you doing? Because it is so useful. See on here, let me just start screen recording real quick. Yes, see on here how it says Fiverr, don't just dream, do with us. How cool is that? How special with that? It's perfect. It says we believe in action, community, quality. At Fiverr, it's our mission to grow and cultivate the world's largest digital marketplace, a place where people can find and purchase any service they need. Literally, if you go on Fiverr and you say resume builder, you're gonna find millions, hundreds. If you go on Fiverr and say, social media content creator, you're gonna find millions. If you go and say, student mentor, you're gonna find people that will mentor you. If you go and say engineering assignments, you're gonna find people that will help you with your engineering assignment. Literally, if you want to essay writing, maybe last minute you can't get your essays done, you can go ahead and find them. I'm not saying that you should be lazy and you should not do things on your own, but in this digital age, there are many things that professionals will teach you that you need to reach out to other people to help you with. If you're building a team, you can't do everything on your own. You have to have people that can also help you with some things while you focus on the ones that you're good at. So literally, as you're good at some, be doing what you're good at, but let other people also do the ones that they're good at, so everybody can be efficient at the same time and really work together. So don't just dream, do with us. There's so many things. Even earlier when I said about Fiverr, just to see what I could how I could best explain it to you guys. It says it's an Israeli, which I didn't know it was an Israeli market company, but it says it's an Israeli online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. I'm going to show you all even inside my own Fiverr. Look, if I go to my messages, there's so many people I've had on Fiverr do so many things for me. Some would not go as planned, but the way Fiverr is structured is that they have systems in place whereby nobody's going to lose money. Like if you're not satisfied with your order, you're not going to pay for it, and the Fiverr can help you resolve it, or they'll keep on editing what you asked for until you get what you like. You know, so recently I even had someone do some designs for me, some logos. Exactly, you can find logo creators, resume creators, content creators. You can buy Amazon UPC codes from Fiverr. You can get someone to help you with your book cover. You can get someone to help you with your website design. Exactly, if you're looking for website designs, go to Fiverr. I also use Upwork. Maybe we'll review that another day, but Fiverr was the one I really started with, and I just fell in love with this so much because there's so many things you can get someone to help you do. If you see something online and you're envious of it, you're like, oh, I want my page to look like that, or I want someone to help me manage my social media more consistently. I want to be able to manage my social media more consistently. I'm telling you, on Fiverr, you're going to find just that. You're going to be able to go on Fiverr and you're going to say social media manager, literally anything. There's nothing you cannot get on Fiverr. You have people come up as sellers. It will say, oh, this person $5. The reason why you would even find a lot of $5 deals, like good deals, because if you're in the US, Canada, you know, it says you look at that like, oh, this is not much for whatever I'm getting, because a lot of these countries, maybe like Pakistan, India, it's normal. A lot of currencies, even in some parts of Africa as well, it's a bit more, you know, it's lesser money for higher value. How do I put it? Put that in any way you can. But $5 would be more to someone in another country than $5 in the US. Okay, so that's really how you get a lot of good deals. See, this one says, oh, $60 and above. You don't even need to do all these ones. You can even you can sort by price and say, so you're looking for like $5 and above. Some people would purposely put their profiles at $5 because they want to be able to attract people to start using their services, and then they'll get reviews for it, and then, you know, they can start growing from there. But there's nothing you cannot find on Fiverr for $5, literally. Let me know in the comments, what are some things you're already thinking about doing on Fiverr? Like, do you want to make a logo? Do you want to make a website for your business? Do you want something for your social media? Do you want a virtual assistant? So many things you can get. Let's go to graphics and design. You can even see them by category. You can see it by like specific designs, logo designs, game art, illustration. Let's say we wanted to make a brochure for our business. I'll click on brochure design. You go on there, you see sellers. This one says, okay, see, I'm seeing one here starting at $85, seeing one here starting at this. No, I want to check out this person that says starting at $5. So let's click on that. We click on that. My thing is a little bit slow today, I don't know why. But you click on that, the seller comes up, you see more of their profile. It says, I'll do any Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop work for you within 10 to 12 hours. Some, that's also how they get their money. They tell you that they can do anything for you in a few hours or 25 hours. If you have a rush essay to do, I'm pretty sure there's someone on Fiverr. Alright guys, so continuing, my camera died real quick, but like I was saying, it says he will do stuff for you in a certain amount of time, and that's very cool. And usually you can just say continue $5, and then you will put in the details of what you need, and the seller will start to like connect with you. But what I usually do, I always do contact seller first, because I just find it easier. I'll contact seller, I'll say, oh, hello there, please, I need help. Hello, please, I need help with a logo. Hello there, please, I need help with the logo. You send it. A lot of times they're also working. See, it says their local time. It tells you the time they're in. Like today is a Sunday right here where I am, and it says it's Monday their time. So it says average response time 1 hour, telling you that he's going to respond very soon. And once you send that, he's definitely going to respond. He'll let you know that, okay, what kind of logo are you looking for? Then you chat directly with him or her, and once you chat directly with him or her, then they'll send you an offer. They'll be like, okay, that is $10. They'll send you an offer like on the message app, and then you click accept offer. Fiverr will take your card details, take your $10, but Fiverr will keep the money. You're not releasing the money to them until the job is done, obviously, because nobody wants to get scammed. Fiverr will keep the money. They will do the order, they will deliver the order. If it's good, you accept the order. When you accept the order, then your money goes to them. You see? So it's very, 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 very cool stuff, and I just really enjoy it. I want to see if I can show you guys some specific messages. This one is really long, so we may not get to the top as quickly as some others. Okay, this one didn't take too long. It wasn't such a long conversation. I started off with, hello friend, please, I need help with a thumbnail, please. A thumbnail for a book, blah, 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 blah. Then she replied me. I sent her some details even before she replied, because I was just like, let me just give her stuff. Then I think she started replying. She said, oh, hi, I would love to design your thumbnail. All you need to do when you're ordering is mention it in the requirements and the type of font and text that you need, something. Then she sent me an offer. You see how that looks? I'll design aesthetic thumbnails for your YouTube videos, or I think she does YouTube videos. She also does any kind of thing. Some do a lot of things. Once they're graphic designers, they branch out into a lot of other things. So $5, you know, she sent it. It said 1-day delivery. Then I said accept offer, and now it's blanked out. It's not showing green anymore because I accepted the offer. I accepted it, then told her the title I wanted for the video, just for her to have ideas. I showed her an example of what I wanted. So if you have an idea, I'm giving you a task, guys. Let me know in the comments if you tried Fiverr before. If you haven't, you really need to start using it. And I'm going to give you an assignment. This week, download Fiverr on your phone. The app is actually very, very, I actually prefer the app than, I mean, I like both. Sometimes I have to come to the website to see everything more in full, but the app is perfect. Download the app on your phone, search up something that maybe you've been wanting to do, you don't know how to do it. Maybe you want to write proposals for your business, you don't know how to do it. Search in Fiverr, search proposals or search business proposals, you're going to see a lot of sellers trying to sell to you. They want to help you, and you're going to find the budget that you're looking for. Trust me, paying for $5 for something doesn't mean it's not good. Like I told you, some people, $5 is more to them than it is to you. So $10, I'm sure you can get stuff for $25 for a proposal for a whole company. So many things, okay? So I'm challenging you, go on Fiverr if you haven't ever done it before. Search something up in the description box, maybe make a logo, find a seller, $5, start off with $5 if you don't really want to spend money. Start there, talk to them on the message on the message side of things. Say, oh hello there, I need a blah blah blah. Let them reply you. If they ask what you want, just be like, oh yeah, I want to whatever it is. Maybe oh, I want like an orange and yellow logo. I have this concept of a food business in mind. I want the logo to have a spoon and a fork. Can you show me some examples of that? Literally, that's how Fiverr works. Be free to talk to them. These are normal human beings just like you, but they're making money just because they can help people. I've also been a seller on Fiverr before. I used to do resumes, but I stopped for a while because I was doing other things. But if you want to be a seller on Fiverr as well, go ahead. It's very easy. Anybody can use it. You don't need any certificate. You just need to put seller, put your profile, your picture, it will know the country you're in. People will start reaching out to you. You put a few images of what you can do. People will start reaching out to you, and you can put your price for $5 and people start reaching out. So I just wanted to tell you, if you're a content creator, if you're a student, if you're just a normal person trying to be more effective, I have a book also called Effective Laziness, like I told this lady to make a cover for, and some others I already did. But yeah, on my book as well, I'm going to link in the description. It teaches you how to be more effectively lazy. There's just some things you can do. Less is more sometimes. You don't have to struggle before you get the best results. You can I forgot what it's called, but you can send it out to other people to, is it outreach? No, not outreach. You can, you know, let other people do it, you know, let them do it better than you can, like I've talked about before. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know, have you tried Fiverr before? Are you going to try it? Tell me the assignments you're going to do this week. Tell me what you're going to ask a Fiverr person to do for you. Is it to write an essay? Wink. Is it to write things for you or help you with something? You know, I'm not saying that you need to just not do what you need to do, but there's some things, it's okay, give it to someone to help you be more efficient. Okay, be more efficient. Thank you all so much for watching. On here we do millennial talk, self-help, faith, development, lifestyle content, reaction videos, Nigerian content. Once in a while we grow, we learn, we flourish together. Thank you all so much. I think my camera's about to die, but stay tuned for more. Thank you for subscribing, for always sharing. God bless you, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye. We're definitely gonna do Upwork soon as well, okay? Upwork review. So come back for more, guys, and let me know. Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye.